Hi, back again. I was just wondering what to do for dinner and can't really be bothered doing a lot, but I thought these are quick and easy and that's going to be dinner sorted. So I'm going to do some little bacon and egg sort of tart things. I've got no pastry, so I'm going to show you doing it with bread. So we just get some bread and cut the crusts off. I've got white bread because that's what was in the bread bin, but you can use whatever bread you like. Just going to cut all of these off, all the corners. And then you just get a rolling pin and you want to roll it nice and flat. Roll it out. Okay, and then I'm going to just spray this with some spray so they don't stick. If you wanted to use bigger ones, you can. These are just standard muffin size tins, but you could use Texas if you want. And then you just want to push your bread in like this, and this is going to act sort of like a pastry base now, like that. And then I'm just going to use spinach in the bottom, just chopped up spinach. You could use whatever you liked, but this is what I have in the fridge. And then I've just chopped up some bacon. So you want to put a good amount of bacon in each one, just so they're nice and tasty. You could use diced ham as well. So there's bacon in each one, and then we're going to crack an egg into them. Crack an egg in. So you just want to put an egg in each one, and I've just put my finger in just to pop the yolk a little bit, and then just a bit of salt and pepper on each one. And then I'm going to pop them into the oven at about 180 degrees and probably about 10 minutes. As you can see, they're starting to look really good now, but they probably need about another 5 minutes. Okay, so these have been in here for 15 minutes. And they look pretty good. Here's our little tart here. So you've got your spinach and your egg and your bacon. Delicious. That's a quick, easy dinner done in about 20 minutes.